betcha didn't know! You're supposed to be lubricating your garage doors, hinges, rollers, and springs every 3 to 6 months. That's because dirt, dust, grime, and other gunk builds up, creating friction, forcing the mechanism to work harder to lift and lower the door, causing noise and slow movement, shortening the lifespan of the electric motor. But you can get your garage door gliding gracefully again by periodically lubing moving parts. Here's how. Purchase a can of white lithium grease, silicone-based lubricant, or a specialized garage door spray. Avoid using oil-based products like standard WD-40, which can collect dirt and dust. There is some disagreement over whether white lithium grease or silicone spray is the better choice for garage door lubrication. I'm going with silicone spray because it's less messy. But your house, your choice. Close the garage door. Wipe down hinges, rollers, tracks, and springs with a cloth to remove accumulated filth so the lubricant has a clean surface to stick to. Take care not to overspray as excess lube makes a mess and attracts schmutz. Keep a dry utility rag handy to wipe off excess spray as you go at every step of the way. Start with the hinges, spraying a small amount of lubricant directly onto the pins. Now lube the rollers that move along the door track, applying lubricant to the rollers and bearings. Note, don't lubricate the track as it will eliminate friction needed for the rollers to turn in the track. Now do the torsion spring, remaining gentle and careful at all times around this high tension component, applying lubricant along its entire length. Open and close the door repeatedly to ensure the lube gets worked into the components. Reapply as necessary if you're still hearing squeaks or grinding noises. To further ensure your garage door remains in proper working order, perform a basic pre-lube inspection, checking for proper balance, loose screws, nuts, or bolts that need retightening, wear and tear on rollers and hinges, and a tight seal at the base. Call a pro for any issues that are outside your comfort zone. And if you learned something there, please like and share.